Good morning, everybody. Now we're going to get this turkey going. Now, as you can see here, this is what I like to use. I like to coat my turkey with sesame seed oil. Might sound a little weird, but it works and it turns out fantastic. And let me tell you, while it's cooking in the oven, the smell is just unreal. You get the smell of the sesame oil as it's heating, and you get the smell from the turkey as it's cooking. Let me tell you, it's phenomenal. Now, I've already washed my turkey. I did all that off camera because honestly, do you guys really want to see that? Probably not. So as you can see here, I am just essentially giving the turkey a really good massage. And at one point, I actually do have to wash my hands. So just one moment, please. Okay, I figured you didn't see the rest of that. So now we're going to move on to making sure that broth underneath tastes amazing. We're going to put some celery under there and get it all nicely filled up. Next, I am probably going to go and get some carrots, I think. I'm not sure. Hold on. Okay, yep, I was right. There are those carrots. We're going to hunk those up and drop them into the roasting pan. This might seem a little strange considering, well, the turkey broth that I will be adding in like just a second, I think, has all this good taste in there. But having that extra bit in there is just like it adds it. Okay, no, I'm not. I'm going to fix the camera. Oh, hold on. I didn't like where it was. Hold on. Oh, oh, and it fell. Okay, so nope, we're not going to add the broth yet. We're going to season it. So there's the salt that's going on there. Yep, lots of salt. And if I remember correctly, nobody added salt on their plate this year. Normally people do. This year, no salt was added. Black pepper. I went a little heavy handed on that. I will own that one. I did. The gravy, it was a little peppery, but it was good. Let's see, if I remember correctly, I grab a jar of sage. Oh no, not the sage, that's marjoram. Marjoram. And I'm not getting the bird with that. That's only going in this into the stock. Next should be sage, right? Yes, and then I realized, wait a minute, wrong jar. Get my other container of sage because it makes life so much easier because it has a shaker on it. Yes, okay, there we go. So now we're going to shake, 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 shake. Lots of sage. I'm sorry, turkey and sage go hand in hand. And when you add the sage and the sesame oil together, oh my gosh. Just try it, people. Just try it. Try it. You must. Sesame oil. Unless you have a sesame allergy, then don't. But if you don't have one, try it. It will knock your socks off. It is that good. So now, literally, you can see I go crazy with sage. I just go crazy with it. I love it. Seriously. That's like the seasoning of all seasonings. Now, you haven't seen that video yet, but there's my stuffing. I dropped pieces while I was doing this. Yes, I did, but that's okay. I think Katie was somewhere in the vicinity and picked it up. But we're just going to stuff the bird the best I can. I try and get that bird as full as I can because I don't know about you guys, I love the stuffing that is inside the bird in comparison to the stuff that's cooked to the side. But don't get me wrong, they're both delicious, but the stuff that comes out of the turkey's butt is amazing. I don't care what you say, it's delicious. But you'll see that video, this stuffy video, coming up soon enough once I get to doing the voiceover and editing that one. Okay, do you really need to see me continue in stuffing a turkey's butt? No, I don't think so. So I'll bring you guys back in just one moment. Okay, and now we're back. Now we're going to add the turkey stock. Now, I add a good amount of turkey stock because I do not want my turkey drying out. Oh, goodness gracious, no. I add pretty much 2 liters worth of turkey stock to this, and I bake my turkey at 350 degrees until it is done. This turkey took, if I remember correctly, 4 hours to cook, and it came out delicious and beautiful and just so lovely. But you're going to see that in just a moment because I show you the end turkey. I can see the clip. I know you can't see it, but I can see it. Okay, and now I'm going to add some rosemary. I'm not breaking it up, I'm just adding it in there for extra flavor. And trust me, so worth it. So worth it. So now I'm going to, I probably don't even know, I think I'm just going to put the lid on it and get it into the oven at this point. So I'll bring you guys back when it's out of the oven. And here it is. Look at that. Like, seriously, it's gorgeous. It's beautifully cooked. That skin is so golden brown. And guys, I do not take the lid off of my turkey. It does not go in the oven and get browned. No, the lid stays on it. I baste it every hour, on the hour, until it's done. Now, were the legs a little overdone? Yes, because you can see I couldn't even get the poker in there, but that's okay. I don't eat that. My husband eats that. But doesn't that turkey look beautiful? Yes, it does. It's amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will be talking to you again really soon. Bye.